Guys, nakakatawa talaga tong liga ng PBA. Nakita nyo, hindi ako makamove on dun talaga sa tawag nila kay Mo Tautua. Bakit? Imagine mo, a dunk, tinawagan mo ng interference. Bakit? Single motion eh. 'Di ba? Pag dunk mo, of course, hahawak ka talaga sa ring. So, kailan pa naging bawal na pag nag-dunk ka, hindi ka pwedeng humawak sa ring? Tapos nagkaroon pa ng ilang ball possessions bago mo itawag yung
A scramble. Yep, you can't give it up. As we take another look at this drive from Totua, able to fake off PGR. The help was there coming from Kelly to make it a little bit awkward for Totua. But the high heavens, smiling down on Mo Totua, came up short. But it bounced. As the ball went up, Mo Totua will pull. Wow!
Actually, nagawa nga to ni Russell Westbrook sa NBA nung Oklahoma Thunders pa siya. In fact, yung dunk naging bloopers pa nga.
Westbrook! Oh, and it goes in! Westbrook with a big smile.
No wonder kaya mga Pinoy basketball fans sa NBA na lang nanonood. Whether fan ka ng TNT or SMB, you know at the end of the day, bad call yun.